Khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Looms Hopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net footage. Ordar mapi. Minwan ra mangi hakerdog ying jongpi.
Menteri Rangba Barim ke Jela Dr. Mukul Sangma ulat her tenge ya sorkar MDA hakabaya dei bat ke jingyai pur ke jingpang COVID-19 hagani ke Jela bat ula ong ba ke sorkar kala perking ya ki pajba ban ya lombreu kat ba Menteri Rangba ke Jela pat ukonrat kongkel Sangma ula lai keleng ki jaka jong ke Jela ban lum jingyalang ban kap ribon ya ki project ki ba pher Dr. Mukul ula ongru bahaba ke konstituensi jong ulai Menteri Rangba ula lum jingelang ban kap ribon ye ka way ka project ka baka jingerap kawan na ke MLA scheme hanrai wat ye kumu local MLA ru khot satya.
I have taken my second dose. I am fully vaccinated. Now I am telling you that there is a vaccine resistance. It's the reality. How do you handle this? Is the job of the government. So from the day one, now they are trying to correct things after having already allowed the damage to have its own toll. You see, from the day one, when you are telling people to ensure that you don't have social gathering, you don't have political gathering, you maintain social distance. The Chief Minister goes around and calls the public to go and converge into his public function for cutting the ribbon. They are also pertaining to a project in my own constituency. Just imagine, leader of the opposition's constituency, Chief Minister going and inaugurating a project where again I have given fund from my ML scheme on a convergence mode, without inviting the local MLA and leader of the opposition. Playing to the gallery, nothing else. These guys are good in playing to the gallery. Yes, is it the time to go and cut the ribbon? Yeah. After the MDC election, another round of cutting the ribbon. Earlier he said that he is a foundation stone Chief Minister. All the projects where I have laid foundation stone, now he is laying the inaugural stone. Is it the time? We are acting which is contrary to the scientific advice. Okay. If I have a meeting in one place, hundreds of people will converge. Is it the time for me to have a meeting like that? Public meeting? So friends, we must lead by example. We want to prevail upon people to agree to do something together. And if you don't lead by example, you have a big rock show during election. Rock show. You're campaigning or you're showing a rock show. You look at that William Nagar election campaign of Mr. Conrad Sangma, the Chief Minister, during MDC election. Was it an election campaign or some other festival? During pandemic, when the cases were rising, you have to lead by example.